Now about STD. STD stand for sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases. Now, which diseases are called as sexually transmitted diseases? The diseases that spread from one person to another person through unsafe sexual contact. I repeat, the diseases that spread from one person to another person through unsafe sexual contact is known as or are known as sexually transmitted diseases. I'll give few examples for STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. One is AIDS. Second one, hepatitis B. Third one, syphilis. Fourth one, gonorrhea. Fifth one, genital herpes. Genital warts, and so on. First of all, we'll study about AIDS. What is the full form of AIDS? AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So this is the full form of AIDS. Means what it does, whatever immunity we have, that will get spoiled, that will get destroyed. And once the immune system gets destroyed, then we are prone to various attack of various pathogens and the diseases, and it is caused by a virus called as HIV. HIV. The full form of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. Now let us see how HIV get transmitted from one person to another person. There are 4 methods by which it gets transmitted from one person to another person. First one, unsafe sexual contact. Suppose one of the partner, either male or female, say is suffering from AIDS, then if they have sexual contact, unsafe sexual contact, then automatically it will get transmitted to the other partner or the other person. Second one, it gets transmitted from one person to another person by the transfusion of infected blood. Transfusion of infected blood. Suppose a person is suffering from AIDS, and if his or her blood is given to a healthy person, automatically the HIV will get transmitted to the body of another person. Third one, by using injections, or what you call that, syringes, needles, razors, blades used by infected person. The blades, syringes, needles, these are used by infected person, and it's the same blade or syringes or needles when used by the healthy person. There are chances of transmission of virus. And the last one, fourth method, from infected mother to her fetus. Infected mother to her fetus. So these are the only 4 methods by which AIDS will get transmitted. Otherwise, there is no 5th method for the transmission of AIDS. Now, there are some misconceptions among people. There are some false belief among people that it will spread. It will not spread by some of the reasons that we should remember. One, it will not get spread by hugging, shaking hands. Second one, by using cloths used by infected person. By sharing plates, glass or any utensils used by the infected person. Fourth one, by using common toilet or swimming pool. And moreover, it will not come by the bite of mosquito or any insect. Mosquito or any insect. So these are the reasons how it will not get spread from one person to another person. So this we have to keep in mind. Actually, HIV is RNA virus. HIV is RNA virus. We should remember that. HIV contains RNA in it. When it enters into human body, or human cell we call, with the help of its RNA and an enzyme, you should remember the name of that enzyme, reverse transcriptase. It produces its DNA. Actually, DNA produces RNA, but in this case, RNA produces DNA. Such process is called as reverse transcription. With the help of enzyme, reverse transcriptase. So DNA is produced by them, by this virus. Now this DNA will get incorporated with the DNA of our cell. So this utilizes the machinery of our body, and with the help of this, now several RNA, HIV RNA are produced, and they start attacking on our immune system, and our immune system will get destroyed. So thus, once our immune system will get destroyed, then none of the medicine can cure or completely make us recovered from these diseases. There are no medicines available for AIDS. Some drugs or medicines are available which can increase the lifespan of that patient, but it will not cure the disease. That we have to keep in mind.